As a term used to describe a collection of skills and knowledge related to the outdoors, bushcraft has been a widely popular concept for a long time. It's a form of art of surviving in the woods, much like rock climbing. Well, the elements of bushcraft can be found in our ordinary life, as picking berries is, in fact, foraging. And though bushcraft means to be able to survive in the wilderness with a bare minimum, some specific gear will be an excellent addition to improve your bushcraft survival skills. Well, we have discussed 5 of the essential bushcraft gear in today's video, depending on their purpose, design and functionalities, from a pocket saw to a knife. So without wasting any more time, let's get on with the rest of the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Designed to make bushcraft and other outdoor activities much more straightforward, the Nordic pocket saw acts as a hand-powered chainsaw and a compact wood cutting tool. Its blade is made from heat-treated high-carbon steel that is razor-sharp. Besides, its cutting teeth are placed very close to each other. It's compelling and very efficient, and the strength of this pocket saw is proven to be about 1,300 pounds in a pulling test. Its heavy-duty nylon handles will help you use the saw easily while keeping the weight low, ensuring a safe and comfortable grip. Also, a handy nylon case is provided with the chainsaw so that you can carry it with you. It is compact so that you can put it inside your pocket or backpack. Besides, it's durable and designed for long-term use, but you need to know how to maintain it. Keep it clean and dry, sharpen it, and apply lube after you use it, and it'll be just fine. To sum things up, this Nordic survival pocket saw is a compact, practical, and efficient tool for your bushcraft chores. Originally designed at the request of the US Special Forces, the Titan SurvivorCord is a result of the collaboration between the US Special Force and Titan Survival. How? Well, this military-grade survival cord features a patented design and includes 3 additional potential life-saving survival strands apart from its 36 straight nylon strands. First of all, it has got a transparent monofilament fishing line, perfect for securing a game. Secondly, its 30 AWG metallic wire can be used as small snares, ham radio antenna, campfire foot wraps, and other ingenious survival ideas. And finally, it includes the proprietary waterproof twisted jute fiber strand developed by Titan Survivor, which can be used to start fires quickly even during a downpour. This 100-foot long paracord has more than 620 pounds of the tensile strength. Besides, this paracord is UV resistant, heat resistant, and it also resists fading. Titan Survival believes the best way to be prepared is to prepare like the best, and the Titan SurvivorCord XT clearly offers more practicality than any ordinary paracord does. The überleben Zünden Fire Starter is ready to effortlessly fire up your bushcraft adventures in places where starting a fire can be a hassle. It's as timeless as fire can be. This fire starter is forged with high-performing sand-core ferrocerium materials which can outperform every other leading fire starter out there. Trad, Pro, and Fatty, there are 3 models. It can create molten spark showers at 5500 degrees Fahrenheit, and depending on the model you choose, its rods can last from up to 12,000 to 20,000 strikes. This fire starter has a handmade hardwood handle, providing you a naturally textured grip, and offers a 6-function multi-tool scraper and a military-spec 550 paracord lanyard for easy carrying. The überleben Zünden can outperform leading fire starters regardless of the weather and altitudes. It's a perfect balance of durability, softness, and consistent performance. Designed to embody sheer cutting power and excellent balance for handling comfort, the cold steel slant tip machete boasts explosive overall performance for your bushcraft chores. First of all, let's talk about its 21-inch long 1055 carbon steel blade. With an optimum combination of durability and toughness, this blade has comparable strength and edge retention. On top of the blade, there is a black baked-on anti-rust matte finish that looks cool and provides protection. This blade has 2 mm of thickness. If you think that's not enough, you're wrong. It's ideal for heavy chopping, don't you worry. On top of everything, its utility edge can be made hair shaving sharp with little effort. And finally, it features a rugged polypropylene handle, which provides a secure grip, and you can carry it with you easily as it comes with a durable Corex sheath. All in all, during your bushcraft adventure, the cold steel slant tip machete will be your best friend for heavy duty cutting and chopping. Apart from cutting and chopping, bushcraft activities require things like baiting, curving, and making feather sticks. And this Schrade SCHF59 is designed to help you accomplish the most demanding and trickiest bushcraft chores. This razor-sharp blade is forged from a single slab of 65 manganese high carbon steel. Yes, it's a fixed blade knife with a full tank construction, making it ideal for bushcraft chores. But with a 0.25-inch thickness, it also provides you with tons of confidence and power. Plus, the SCHF59 has excellent edge retention, and its 2.5-inch top side false edge provides incredible penetration power. Featuring textured G10 handle slabs, this knife has a slim profile. Not only that, but you also get a comfortable grip regardless of the weather condition because of this handle. The spine of this blade has thumb jimping so that you can make power cuts. And to protect your fingers during usage, this knife has an ergonomic finger guard as well. Finally, it weighs a little over 6 ounces and comes with a polypropylene thermoplastic sheath to make carrying this knife hassle-free. In short, this Schrade SCHF59 is built to last for a long time and will handle the most challenging bushcraft tasks you may throw at it without weighing you down. So that was all about the top 5 best bushcraft gear to complement your bushcraft survival skills. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.